If you are worrying about how to create wireframes in sketching, there is an alternative for sketching on paper. We can use Balsamiq. Basically, Balsamiq is a user interface design tool for creating wireframes, something like mockups. In Balsamiq, you can create mobile and web-based wireframes easily. So let's get started. When you see Balsamiq for the first time, you can see the interface just like this. Let's check in detail from top. So, as you can see on the screen on the left corner, you can see the file which is used to create Balsamiq. In this, you can create file, or you can duplicate, or you can open any file or close. Anything which is related to Balsamiq file will be shown here. And next to file, you can see the edit option, which means you can edit file like undo, copy, paste, anything which is related to work on the document. At the next to edit, you can see a view option, which is you can check the panels. Like let us say I'm just clicking on the assets. You can see all the assets which are included in this project. And I'm going to back to wireframes as of now. And the next to view, you can see windows, where you can see all the different projects, like what are the projects which are open right now. And then after the windows, you can see help. There you can see the online documentation of the Balsamiq, or you can see keyboard shortcuts and tutorials about Balsamiq and everything related to Balsamiq and the documentation of it. You can see it here. Then next to the top bar on the left side, you can see the project details. On the right side, you can see here a new version which is available, which is nothing but a software or project Balsamiq project, and you can see the details which is in editable mode and review for comment, which is to share with others. And the next to this, you can see the two toggle buttons, which is to view this entire panel in different way. Like this is, which is a editable panel, and which is this one, which is a preview panel for this. And the next to this, you can see a plus icon so that you can create a new wireframe which is created here. And here you can see undo, copy, paste, share, duplicate, and so on. So these are the elements that you can work on this Balsamiq panel. On the right side, you can see here a play icon which is used to check the wireframes in a full screen presentation. And the next to this, you can see all the elements. By using these elements, you can able to create a wireframe or a mobile screen. And here you can see three panels. Basically, this center panel is called as canvas, and the left panel, which is used to check your wireframes which you have created, and the right panel, which is used to change the information of the elements which you are going to use in mobile screen. So first of all, we will create a welcome screen wireframe. To create a welcome screen wireframe, I'm going to find a rectangle. I want to make my rectangle as background. So this is the rectangle which I'm going to add it. Just clicking and dragging in my system. That's it. So here you can see on selecting the rectangle, here on the right side you can see its details, like changing the size of rectangle and its position and layering. Then comes to border views, and then here the color of this rectangle, and here the links. So as of now I'm going to go with a 360 width and 640 height of this mobile screen. And now on clicking on bar, I'll see in hand here so that I can place my cursor to control this entire view of this screen. I would like to add a logo on the top center here so that it will be like a welcome from this company, just like this. So to add a logo, I'm going to create a shape button, or just like this rectangle button, just like this, and clicking on it and just adding it here, and double clicking on this logo. That's it. And here I would like to change this background color a little bit so that that will be visible for all. Here I would like to change 250 width here, just clicking on it, and then here I would change some 48 change of the logo size. And now I would like to change height of this logo text a little bit. That's it. And now I'm just aligning it to center on the top. That's it. Now I would like to add a welcome image here. So to add image, I'm just checking it here. So this is my image option. Just clicking on it and just dragging in this canvas. That's it. So once this was done, I'll just click on shift and I want to expand this a little bit just like this and aligning it to the center. As you can see here, I'm just changing the values based on my needs. So that's up to you. Like this is just for a basic purpose. So it's not much more important about the constraints. Then I would like to add a supporting text for this image. To add it, I'm just clicking on the text and just dragging it here. That's it. And here I'm double clicking on it. I just want to change the field just like lorem ipsum, something like that. Just like this. When you click on lorem ipsum, I just want to add only 2 lines of supporting text for this. And I'm just changing this value to just like 17 or just 16 is more than enough. And it should be in the center. That's it. Almost done. So this is the entire view, and now I would like to add a CTA button and a login text. That's it. So to create a CTA button, I'm just going again to the button icon, or you can do one more thing, just click on this and just click on Alt or Option, just drag it just a little bit like this. That's it. And it should be just like a 320 width, which is a basic version of CTA button, and I would like to add it to the center. That's it. And now I would like to change this text field, which is a CTA, which is nothing but a call to action button, which will be used here. And then I would like to add, just clicking on login. That's it. Then enter. And now I would like to change it to 32. That's it. So this is how I can create any wireframe in Balsamiq.